Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys font size setting in a Technophone friend. In this video guys I will show you guys default font size guys. How can you set in your Technophone friends? You want to set guys your default font size so guys you can set. So friends, you want to set guys your default font size so as you can set. And guys now let's see how to set. So when first of all open your phone setting to set your default font size. Then guys you can see this type of setting. Guys click on guys display and brightness setting to set your default font size. Guys you can see your settings. So guys tap here. So you can see that there are large, default and small size. So you want to set small, default and large. So yes, we want to set into default size. So we will click on default size and come back. So you can see your font size will be default in your Technophone. So like that guys, you can set your default font size in your Technophone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.